I'm sure you've heard the news. London is a city like no other. Ready to dive in? Picture this, majestic landmarks like Tower Bridge and Buckingham Palace standing proudly alongside the sleek cutting-edge architecture of the Shard. Wander through cobblestone streets where history whispers from iconic buildings. Feel the cultural richness as you explore world-class museums, theatres and diverse neighbourhoods. From the serene beauty of Hyde Park to the lively pulse of Covent Garden, each corner of London offers a unique experience. Stroll along picturesque riverfronts, relax in lush green spaces, and lose yourself in charming markets. London is a mosaic, a city where timeless elegance meets contemporary flair. So whether you're a history buff or a modern explorer, London's vibrant blend is sure to captivate your spirit. Ready to uncover the magic? Let's go.